Alright, got another video for today. Picked up this Rarity collection. It is in Japanese, OCG, but has some beautiful cards in it. Let's get it. Let's see what we get. I did order this online. Took a couple days to get here, but I heard definitely worth it. Nice, beautiful stack. I'm gonna keep this box because it's very nice. But I believe there's 4 packs in each, or 4 cards in each. Oh, these have the rip tab. Yeah, they do. Cool. Look at the card. Oh, right off the back. Hackafibrax, aka needle fiber. Grandmaju. Ooh, tour guide. And that is your secret parallel? You relinquish link. I forgot what it's called. Endless or something like that. I'm just gonna leave these 2 here because these are beautiful. Oh, I keep forgetting the Japanese ones. Have the rip tab. Make it easier. Ooh, crackdown. I have no clue what this is. Obviously, I don't speak Japanese. Ooh, the magician girl. Oh, summoning dragon. I forgot what it's called. Melody of Awakening Dragon, I think. But that Dark Magician girl, Paladin. I forgot her full name. But Tamaya's. The camera really doesn't want to focus on the cards. I'm gonna leave this melody here too because it's nice. Right, on this, you are guaranteed a collector's rare and a gold rare in the box. So, just depending on what you get. And ooh, Call by the Grave. Always a good card to get. Ooh, Turtle Boy. Ooh, Infinite Impermanence. Awesome. Ooh, and another Maju, I forgot his name. Grand Maju. Secret rare. Secret parallel. Move that to the side. Alright, next pack. Ooh, drop it. Gotta remember they have these rip tabs. I keep panicking because I don't want to mess up the cards. Ooh, Sky Striker. And that's unfortunately we got the collector's rare. I forgot what this is called. It's called White Ray or something like that. Steam something. I don't know. But it's a really cool looking collector's rare. Not the collector's rare I wanted, but it's still collector's rare. Pretty cool. Next one. Come on. I want to get the gold rare of Infinity because I run Cyber Dragons. So that gold rare Infinity. True King. Oh, dude. These look so good. My hand trap girl. Just gonna put it right there. I'll save these in a minute. But I will best sleeve that gold rare immediately. Oh. Something wanna come out. Something wanna come out. Come on, man. mess up the cards. Armageddon Knight, Mirage, Ghost Girl, and oh, that's another collector's rare. Whoa. This is one of the Red Dragon Archfiend. I don't know which one it is, but man, in the collector's rare. Oh, jeez. You know what? I'm actually gonna get asleep. Just gonna put this in a random one. But those collector's rare. Way too good looking not putting to sleep. So, we got 2 collector's rare. I thought there was only 1 in each pack. I wonder if that takes away. No, I don't think it takes away from the gold rare. I think the gold rares are a given. And you get supposed to get 1 of each. Oh, there goes same girl, alternate art. Oh, there goes the same card, but not collector's rare. Super poly, and oh my god, dude. Oh, one of the ghost girls in the gold rare. Look how beautiful this card is. Oh, I don't even want to touch it. Give me a sleeve. Just if this camera can focus, how beautiful that looks. Oh my god. I forgot her name. If you know her name, drop it in the description or in the comments, my bad. Oh, beautiful. I'm glad we got one of the hand traps as a gold rare. Ooh, pistol. And I could feel it in the pack whenever I took the cards out like this. It felt like it was pushed up. Like I could feel it. Fist Dweller, Pankratops. Ooh. Oh, and another secret. What is this? I don't even know what this is. It's amazing. That's what it is. And we still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs left. Got 2 collectors right out of this. Oh, there goes one of the restrict monsters. I believe this is Millennium Eyes. Oh, that's the same card. Both arts. Amazing. It's actually my first time ever pulling Hack the Fibrites. Awesome. I had to get those CG packs to pull them. Ooh, extravagance. Oh, and another one. Ooh, and a secret. Ooh, that's 2 now. That extravagance, definitely worth it. And Harpy's Feather Duster if you didn't see it. I'm actually gonna put them over here too. I saw Harpy's Feather Duster in the Collector's Gold or Premium Gold, whatever it's called. Amazing. There can only be one. It's the first one out here. Maxi. Ghost Girl. Ooh, and Phantasme. Ooh. And the Secret. Beautiful cards, dude. Beautiful. Rarities. Apologize if this video is a little too dark, but try to get good light. Ooh. Rarity, Livineer, and Harpies in the Secret Parallel. I'm actually going to put all these in sleeves. Every single one that came out of these packs in sleeves. Because they're beautiful cards. Engage. Ooh, Cyber Dragon Infinity and Gamma Seal, Turtle Boy, and a Secret. 2 packs. Gonna get one more gold rare. We got 2 collectors rare. I didn't know you can get more than 1 collector rare. Can we get another collector's rare? Alright, another Phantasme. Ooh, Geki, Kagari, and there can only be one. That's back. Let's get one more impermanence. Why not, right? Stingray Boy. Ooh, another Thousand Eyes, Ghost Girl, and a Kagari. And the secret. Beautiful cards. But this one is muy caliente. Oh man, these collectors are. I'm definitely gonna buy another pack of these. This is the Rarity collection. Premium Gold, OCG. Super Rare, Secret Rare, Collector's Rare, Ultra Rare, and Premium Gold. Let's take a look at those Collector's Rare again. I got Stingray Boy. Can't really see him. The camera doesn't make it too good, but there you go. And Red Dragon. One of these Red Dragon cards. I don't know which one this is, but it's Red Dragon Archfiend card. But in the Collector's Rare, it looks amazing. It just makes him pop out so much more. But alright. Let me know if you guys want to see another one of these videos. I mean, I really love these cards. I know they're OCG Japanese cards, but they're beautiful. I mean, just simply amazing looking cards. But alright guys, thanks for watching.